Okay, so I just want to complete the picture. So this is there's 167,000 data points. That's 1 a second. This is 1 a second. So whatever that is, 167. Let's work it out. There we go. So it's 167,400 over 60 to give minutes, over 60 to give hours. There you go, 46 over 24 to give days. So that's about 2 days. Okay, so that's day 1, that's day 2. Okay, there we go. And I set the charge on. Now there's obviously some messing around here, right? And you can see the purple and the blue are kind of dropping down a bit, and that's because they're discharging into the yellow, which is then balancing. So really, if I was going to cut it off, I should have probably cut it off round about here somewhere, you know. But the problem is that you have to slightly charge it above to make the voltage drop down, and we're using the voltage itself as a measurement of the charge, which is quite reliable in lithium batteries, lithium cells rather. Yeah, so now I've turned it off. You can see now that they're kind of gone a bit closer together, and that last bit there, you see. Now the scale is 3.5 volts to 4.5 volts. That's the scale of this. So obviously these are actually all to within 0.1 of a volt, you see, because the original scale when it was automatic was 3.9 to 4.1, you see, and so that I know is within that. And so that's, I would say that is reasonably well balanced. It's certainly better balanced than that, which is on, that's the same scale, 3 volts to 4 volts. But you can see that's a mile out, isn't it, obviously now? Yeah. So now they're balanced. And the only difference between what happened there and what happened here is the cell balancer circuit itself. So the cell balancer circuit obviously works. So tick, that works. It might not be too efficient, but at least we know it works. And we can improve the efficiency by using more efficient components. Probably create a isolated buck converter, a flyback converter circuit to do the charging, because that'll be more efficient. And we can make that. It's quite a well-known circuit, and then we can make it work, can't we? Yeah. Excuse me. Right. So now the next thing I need to work on, of course, is the voltage measurement stuff. Yeah, which is always a problem. But there we go.